Hello, good morning everyone. Today, let us discuss about the some important chemical properties of carbonyl compounds. In that, now see, first one, addition of sodium bisulfite. Addition of sodium bisulfite. So, in this reaction, aldehydes are ketone. Aldehyde are ketone. See, here if you close the hydrogen, which is ketone. If you close the CH3, which is aldehyde. So aldehyde are ketone reaction with the sodium bisulfite. Sodium bisulfite. So then what is forms you know? Here Na plus HSO3 minus. This HSO3 minus which attack to the carbonyl carbon. Then formation of ONA and SO3H it will be formed. So this is sodium bisulfite addition product it will be formed. Acetaldehyde or acetone, acetaldehyde or acetone sodium bisulfite addition product it will be formed. See, which is furtherly the proton transfer. What happened now? This proton transfer here. Proton transfer. Then formation of CH3, CH3, then formation of OH and SO3 Na product. So actually this is crystalline compound. This is the crystalline, which is soluble in the water. Okay. And what is the speciality of this reaction? Actually this reaction means the sodium bisulfite addition reaction, reactivity towards aldehydes more reactive than ketones. Why? Because ketones are exhibit this some steric hindrance. So due to that reason, the sodium bisulfite more reactive towards aldehyde. Okay. So crystalline it will be formed. This crystalline is water soluble. What is this? No? This is water soluble. For this crystalline, if you add diluted alkali or acid, if you add diluted alkali and acid, which is comes back again, means which is converted to aldehydes. Okay, so by this reaction, we can use for the separation of the aldehydes. Means separation or purification. By this reaction we can use for the separation or purification of the aldehydes. That point to remember. Okay, right. Sometimes they will ask for the competitive level question. By what reagent we can use? We can separate or purification of aldehydes. The reagent is sodium bisulfite. Okay. Next, we'll discuss about the addition of alcohols. Second one, addition of alcohols. So this is a very important reaction. See, addition of alcohols. So here aldehyde or ketone. See, this is if you close the hydrogen ketone, if you close the CH3 aldehyde. Aldehydes are ketone reaction with the alcohols. See, I am taking alcohol. This reaction takes place in the presence of dry HCl. So here what happened you know? See, R word minus H plus. So here also nucleophilic addition takes place. This word dash attack to the carbon. These pi bond of the oxygen attract the proton. Then formation of CH3C. HRCH3, then formation of OH and OR dash. Okay. If one alcohol group undergoes addition in the presence of dry HCl, then formation of hemiacetal. What is called? Hemiacetal. Okay. So if you take another 1 mole of alcohol in the presence of acid, any acid, if you take sulfuric acid. So here what happened, dehydration takes place. Dehydration. So from here H, from here OH, it will be cleavage OR double dash attached here. Then formation of CH3 COR double dash, HrCH3 and OR single dash. Okay, so what is this? This is the acetal, and from here water eliminate. So how can you recognize hemiacetal and acetal? Hemiacetal only one alkoxy group, one alcohol group. Acetal having two alkoxy groups are present. By this we can recognize. You remember, that is the important thing. Okay. So on the basis of this concept, how they will ask the competitive level question, we will discuss now. See, here another one important reaction, ketone reaction with the ethylene glycol. Ketone is reaction with the ethylene glycol in the presence of same diHCl. See, then what happened? From here water eliminate. So then formation of ethylene glycol ketone, it will be formed. Ethylene glycol ketone, it will be formed. You remember. Okay. On the basis of this reaction, once the competitive level, they ask like this. See, this is the trans 1,2 pentane diol. See, trans pentane 1,2 diol. This is reaction with ketone. Okay. Then what is the product it will be formed? Or reaction takes place or not? So this is a very important reaction. You remember. They asked for 2015 AIPMT exam. So you see, trans product means one OH is outside of the cycle. See, trans means one OH. Dotted line is, see, this is inside of the cycle. Thick line means outside of this. Means the front one is the back one. So this trans diols does not reaction with the carbonyl compounds or aldehyde or ketone. So here no product. You remember. So this is a very important thing. And finally, one important question. CH3, CHOH, CH2, 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 C double bond OH. See, what is the name of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is hexane 5-hydroxy hexane 1-ol. 5-hydroxy hexane 1-ol, which is reaction with alcohol ROH in the presence of dry HCl, first reagent, second reagent in the presence of H plus. Then the answer, what is the product it will be formed? The product is, they are asking acetal or hemiacetal. See, so this type of question they are given, you don't get confusion. It's a very easy. This reaction also depend upon the addition of alcohol. So clearly we discuss now here. Now see, first happened the first reagent alcohol group, here carbonyl group is there, in the presence of dry HCl undergoes addition reaction. Here addition reaction takes place. So then what happened? RO dash and H plus. Okay, so OR dash attaches to the carbon, hydrogen attaches to the oxygen. Then formation of CHD, CHOH, CH2, 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 COH. OH conveniently I am writing downside, right side H, upside OR dash. So this is forms. Okay. So in this reaction, what happened in this reaction, one alkoxy group is present. One alkoxy group. Already I told you. One alkoxy group present, that is said to be hemiacetal. Okay. So in the presence of H plus, again what happened water eliminate from here. Water eliminate. So see, from here OH, from here H. Water eliminate. This bond is joined to this carbon. See, how many member in this form? Oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First of all, you write the 6 member ring. The reaction is H plus, the friends are H plus. Then you write first 6 member ring. Okay, ring inside one oxygen. Oxygen adjacent to carbon. This one. Here left side CH3 group is there. Okay. So oxygen attached to carbon. One oxygen attached to carbon. Right side OR dash is there. So this is the product it will be formed after treatment with acid. So now tell me, this is acetal or hemiacetal? How can we recognize? See, okay, already I told you two alkoxy group. Maybe you are recognize alka-oxy. This is also oxygen inside. Alka-oxy group form. This is the acetal product. You remember. Means here self means in one compound only two alcohol groups are present. Self dehydration reaction is formed. So then formation of acetal product is acetal product will be formed. Okay, you got the point? And thank you very much. Bye.